Hi, this is Yuzaidi, and thank you very much for your registration at our events through 1WS. So we have so many events. We have so many events coming up and also ongoing, and we hope you will benefit, your business will benefit through all these events. 1WS is not only event platform, but also networking events where you can find suppliers and also your buyers all over the world, from not only from Malaysia, but from all over the world. So all you have to do is to register yourself at 1WS. Registration is so simple. You just fill in the form and just send. I'll show you how. So all you have to do is to type in 1ws.app, 1ws.app, and you register. To register, you just click the button of register now. There, this you'll be taken to the register now. What do you call it? Page. It's about for you to create an account. So you can create your account. For example, my name is Zaidi2. Simple and based on actually you have to be based on IC. Based on IC. Okay, let me see here. And the phone number, you can just take one phone number, your email address. Maybe you just just whatever your password is, agree on terms, and you check whether you want a robot, and immediately you register. Simple. So you register, you can check your account here. Your account's created. Please check your email for informations. So if you go on your email, let me see if I can go to the email here. There you go. Have this 1WS sign up ends. So, and it's stated here, thank you for signing up 1WS. Your account is under verification. It will be activated within 1 to 24 hours. So you are signed up with the this email and so on. Okay, that's fine. So wait for your approval. Wait for the approval. So once you get approved, then I will show you the next steps. All right. So once you receive the email that you have been approved, your account has been approved, you just log in again at 1ws.app, 1ws.app, and you just type in your email address, and your password, and make sure that you are not robot, and straight away you log in. Okay, once you log in, you go and check this your my profile. So my profile, there is about me and about company. Okay. So what you can do here is to go to the home, go to connect, go to contact, click contact. There's the page here. User ID, which is the name of your company, and view my profile. You can view your profile. What's your profile? For example, about me, my email address, my phone number, about company, who am I? This is just example. All right. And for you to update your profile, what you can do is you just go to the let me see. Go to the contact. Update your profile. So here you can see you can update your profile. You can have whatever instead of your travel, you can have your own company, your mobile, your company phone number, position, technology, your websites, your address, what's your company all about, and if you have a logo, whatever, upload it, and you just click update. All right. Okay, this is gonna be very interesting. Once you update, you automatically will be carry forward to a marketplace, to the marketplace. What's the advantage of marketplace? Okay, I will show you what is the so great about this marketplace. All right. So once you update in your contact, your profile, you can connect all the suppliers, all the buyers, not only Malaysia but all over the world. For example, here. You can see here, Rompin Park. It's in Malaysia. Rompin Park Resorts and it's a hotel. You can just connect with them. How to connect? Of course, you need to have approval by them. So you just click connect, and you wait for the approval from the other side, or from the suppliers or whoever one you choose. All right. So that's it all about. You can go to any. For example, here I want to connect with Kamal Maga, romantic travel tours is from Bangladesh. I just want to connect. Just click connect and wait for the results, whether they approve or not. So once you get approved, you can connect, you can communicate, you can you just can update your profile, can update your products. So I think that's very, very, very interesting. But first step is to register. Second step is to update your profile. The third step is to connect to all the buyers and all suppliers all over the world. All right. With that, I hope this initiative will benefit you. It's free of charge. I hope it will benefit your business, and we're really looking forward for you to work together. All right. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.